สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Namtip Kitchen. Time to make stir minced pork with basil, or in Thailand we call ผัดกะเพราหมู I'm gonna serve with ไข่ดาว or fried egg. This menu super easy, super delicious. Let's begin. The ingredients are: Step 1, we're gonna fry egg. Put the oil in a pan and waiting for the oil is hot. When oil is hot, add egg to fry. Fry until the egg is crispy, but cook on one side. Drain the oil from it and set the egg aside. Step 2. Using oil in the pan, add the chopped garlic. Add red pepper. Stir fry until you can sense the aroma. Add the minced pork. Stir the minced pork until they change the color. Add 1 spoon table of coconut sugar. Add 2 spoon tables of fish sauce. Mix all together. Stir until pork is cooked. Garnish with the basil leaf and stir a little. Then reduce the heat because it's finished. If you like this menu, just try to make it. I'm gonna write down the description on below the video. Stir fry minced pork with holy basil. Serve with egg. Thank you so much to watch my video. See you with the next menu. Good luck.